In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make flowcharts in Microsoft Loop Mermaid diagrams. First, open Microsoft Loop in your web browser and sign in. Loop is a collaborative canvas, so it's perfect for documenting processes with visuals. Once you're in, open an existing workspace and then open or create a page where you want your diagram to live. Think of the page as your whiteboard. Everything you add will stay organized and easy to update. On a new blank line in your page, type /mermaid. From the menu that appears, select the Mermaid option. Loop will insert a special code block designed for mermaid diagrams. If you don't see the option right away, keep typing the word mermaid after the slash to filter the menu. Make sure you're on a fresh line so Loop recognizes the command correctly. Now write your diagram using Mermaid syntax. Start by declaring the diagram and flow direction. For a top to bottom layout, type flowchart TD. If you prefer left to right, use flowchart LR. Declaring the direction up front helps keep your chart readable as it grows. Next, create your nodes and edges. Each node needs a simple ID with no spaces, followed by a label in brackets. For example, a start creates a rectangular start node. For decisions, use curly braces like B decision. Then connect nodes with arrows using two hyphens and a greater than sign. A. B. You can label the arrows to show paths from decisions by placing the label between vertical bars such as B, yes, C, and B, and no, D. Keep IDs short and consistent, and put any long text inside the brackets so it displays as the label while the ID stays compact. As you type, Loop renders the diagram automatically right beside the code block. This live preview is helpful for quick adjustments. If something doesn't render, check for missing brackets, unclosed braces, or a mistyped arrow. Small syntax errors are the most common hiccups. You can also rearrange direction by switching TD to LR or vice versa to improve readability without rewriting your nodes. Continue building by adding steps, outcomes, and an ending node, like END. Use clear labels and consistent shapes to distinguish actions from decisions. If your diagram becomes complex, group related steps visually by arranging the order of lines in your code so the layout reads logically. That's it. You've opened Loop, inserted a mermaid code block, written the syntax, defined nodes and edges, and watched the diagram render in real time. With this approach, you can quickly document and share processes right inside Loop, keeping your team aligned and your workflow crystal clear.